Hello, in this video I'll show you how to delete Instagram account in iPhone. Now it's a very easy process. Open your application, then click on your profile at the bottom right. Now click on the three lines at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Now just simply click on account center. Now click on personal details. Now just simply choose account ownership and control. Now just simply click on deactivation or deletion. Now just simply choose your Instagram account. And then you will be given two options, deactivation or deletion. Choose delete account and then click on continue. Then just simply choose a random reason over here. Then click on continue at the bottom. And after that, all you have to do is just simply enter your Instagram password and then press on continue, and then your account will be deleted. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.